And that is why we are here. The National Citizen Party, was born out of necessity, the necessity of a new political settlement that can deliver the justice, reform, and constitutional transformation demanded by our people. Our political roadmap centers on three key agendas: justice, reform, and the election of a constituent assembly which will also function as the next parliament. This constituent assembly is essential because the existing constitution is fundamentally flawed. Only through a new constitution can we lay the foundation of a genuinely democratic state. The UN Human Rights Report specifically calls for profound structural reforms in Bangladesh. We stand for a second republic, a Bangladesh that truly reflects the diversity of its people, a multilingual, multicultural, and inclusive society that finally delivers on its founding promises. A republic built firmly upon democracy and the rule of law, accountability and distributed power, inclusive politics where women, youth, minorities and marginalized communities lead from the front, not the sidelines. A centrist position that creates space for every citizen. Our reform agenda is ambitious but necessary. We aim to dismantle the culture of impunity that has hollowed out our institution and fundamentally restructure the political system so it truly serves all citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, we know this journey will be challenging, but we also know Bangladesh is ready. Our people seek not just change, but a dignified Bangladesh, a nation respected globally for its commitment to justice, democracy and human dignity. We want a new Bangladesh which will uphold the dignity of people, human rights through political consensus, and we welcome all the political parties, civil society to join us to our next step. As a political party rooted in this region, we believe that South Asia needs relationship built on dignity, justice, mutual respect and the protection of national interest, where no country feels dominated and every nation's sovereignty is respected. Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh saw a historic moment last July. Students, Gen Z, women, workers, citizens, people from every walk of life rose up for their country. It was one of the most powerful democratic uprisings of our time, driven by the simple yet profound demand for a new political settlement. Their extraordinary bravery emerged from years of systematic oppression and denial of rights under the previous regime, enforced disappearance, extrajudicial killings, systematic corruption and structural discrimination deeply embedded within the constitution itself. We believe every nation, every responsible political force must raise its voice against this injustice. At home, the plight of the Rohingya refugee remains one of the most pressing humanitarian challenges. Bangladesh has shown immense generosity hosting nearly 1 million refugees. But it cannot and should not bear this burden alone. We call upon the international community to intensify efforts for a sustainable, dignified solution, ensuring the safe and voluntary repatriation of the Rohingya people. These atrocities have been clearly documented and recognized internationally. It was the students and Gen Z who led this movement, unarmed yet resolute. Thousands were killed or permanently maimed by the Hasina regime. These atrocities have been clearly documented and recognized internationally. Justice for this grave human rights violation remains a central demand of the July uprising. These courageous young people showed us that when citizens lose faith in their political system, they do not remain silent forever. They rise, they fight, and they dream.